you have to make sure this flapper is facing that way. But you have to be facing these two wheels, and this can go up.
Oh,
and side and down.
yeah, turn it around so I can see it too. Wow, you did such a great job.
Here's the
You are
one.
the best.
I want to take a picture of this thing because it's so
No,
amazing.
no, you don't know how much I love him. Look what he did. Are you taking a photo?
Can you look up for a
Oh,
second?
I'm on a video. I forgot. Yeah, and look how good. And look, he did. What's that you have in your hand? What is that?
It picked up the things. And last, I'm just about to pick this up. I'm going to pick this up with chocolate.
Is that?
This chocolate isn't really strong.
So, I know. Did you want to say hi to Abba and Ima?
Hi.
No, look in the camera and say,
Hi, Ima. Hi, Abba.
say, I love you.
I love you.
Okay, bye.